Hello everyone, we are the Alzheimer Domotic team. I am Panchami, I am Meghna,
and I am Eshanvi. We are studying in grade 8 ATL Public School Mysore.
We chose to develop solution to help Alzheimer patients to lead an easy life. Alzheimer's disease is a progressive neurological disorder that causes the brain to shrink and the brain cells to die. The memory loss associated with Alzheimer's disease persists and worsens with time. Many times, patients wander away and get lost. Our solution is a package of 3 products: QR code bracelet, announcer, RFID tag with a reader. The QR code bracelet is a simple, inexpensive, and an important solution to get the patient back home if they get lost. The bracelet is a laminated QR code and when scanned by a mobile phone will reveal the patient's details. The second solution is a system that helps the patient remember which room they are entering every time they touch the doorknob. The audio output will announce the room they are about to enter. This system consists of an ultrasonic sensor and a touch sensor controlled by an Arduino board. The ultrasonic sensor and the touch sensor can be fitted to the doorknob. The sensors detect whenever a person touches the doorknob will trigger an audio output. For example, if the patient touches the kitchen door, the audio playback module in the system will announce saying, "This is the way to kitchen." This system can be customized according to the customer's needs.
The next part of the solution is an RFID tag with a reader that will make sure that the patient doesn't go out without the others noticing it. If the tag in the patient's hand is scanned by the reader placed in the main entrance, it will sound an alarm and the family members at home can be alerted. With this, we have also included a website where we have prescribed our products and our clients can specify their requirements. This journey of us was amazing. We learned a lot of new stuff like connecting Arduino circuits, using different things to build our prototype, and mainly working as a team. Working as a team and building this prototype was very fascinating and we had a lot of fun.
I designed 3D house model building and electronic circuits. I contributed in the background research for Alzheimer's and helped in model building. And I did the Arduino boards and the troubleshooting. The video making and the editing work were shared by all of us. Thank you.